Today I'm going to show you how to do scalloped potatoes. I've already peeled the potatoes. I'm using russets, and then I'm just going to slice them in half. Okay, the mandolin that I have has different adjustments on the back, so you can adjust the thickness. You don't want them paper thin, but you want them fairly thin. Alright, and I like to cut them in half because I like to have a flat surface when I start off. And I always use the little guard that comes with it. Okay, the recipe called for 2 pounds, but I like to double this recipe. I'm just going to run it under water until it rinses clean, and I'm going to let the slices soak until I'm ready to use them. Okay, in the pan I have 3 cups of heavy cream, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. I'm going to add salt and pepper. Okay, I'm going to add a couple sprigs of thyme and a couple squirts of the garlic. And I'm just going to heat this up. It won't take but a couple minutes just to heat it thoroughly. Okay, I have 8 ounces of Parmesan that I'm going to grate in the Ninja. Okay, I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees. After the mixture is warm, you just want to fish out the thyme stems. There's only 2, so that's easy. Okay, I have a sprayed casserole pan already ready. And I'm just going to take the mixture and I'm going to pour just a little bit of mixture in the bottom of the pan. Okay, and then I'm going to pour some mixture on the actual potatoes. I've already drained them. I'm going to leave a little bit of the mixture to pour on the top. And you just want to toss these and try to make sure that all the potatoes are coated. Okay, after the mixture is cooled a little bit, I like to just use gloves and help separate the potatoes, and just to make sure that it's coated as best as possible. It don't have to be perfect, but you want to get as much coating on there. I may not use all these potatoes. I'm just going to see how much this casserole dish will hold. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and start putting some Parmesan on the potatoes. I'm going to leave some. And again, you want to try to get it coated as well as possible. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the potatoes in the pan. And you try to layer it as level as possible. That way it bakes evenly. Looks like I'll be able to use all these potatoes. A little messy, but that's all right. Okay, you want to spread it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour what's left in the bowl on top. And I'm also going to pour what's left in the pan. Okay, you want to put put some fresh thyme on the top, so you just take it and just pull it back with your finger to strip the stem, and you just sprinkle it. I've already got some here that I've already done. Alright, and then we're going to top it with the rest of the Parmesan. Little piece of stem there, you want to pick that out on the thyme. Okay, I'm going to set my timer for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. We're going to put aluminum foil on it, and you just want to kind of have one edge up so it can steam. It may take longer because this is a double recipe, so I'm going to check it after 40 minutes just to see if they're softened up and if they're done. Okay, after 40 minutes, the potatoes aren't soft enough, which I thought that might be a problem because this is such a deep dish. If you put it in a 13 by 9 pan, it would cook a lot quicker. But also I'm using my toaster oven, which is a convection oven. It may take a little longer. So, like with most recipes, you want to follow the recipe, do it 40 minutes, and then just check it. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in without the foil for about 20 minutes, and I'll just keep checking it just to make sure that it doesn't overcook or over brown. I just want the potatoes softened up and get a little color on the top. Okay, it's been an hour total cooking time. The last 20 minutes I did it without the foil. And the hardest part is you need to cook it in advance because you want it to have time to cool off enough to allow the mixture to set and the potatoes to set. And there you have it. Thanks a lot.